To use the MailerLite integrations, just go to the top right drop-down menu and choose integrations right over here. And here you have access to your developer API. Just go ahead and click use, or you can find the integrations you're looking for right over here. Also just click use and follow the instructions. If you don't see the integration you're looking for, you can go ahead and click browse more integrations. This will take you to a separate page where you can go through all your integrations. If you want, you can use the search feature right over here, find the integration you're looking for, click it, and then just follow the instructions right over here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please click subscribe, use the little bell icon. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course use the little subscribe link in the description to sign up to our newsletter. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.